Okay, so this is Five, a AI platform that lets you build a website from just a prompt. So for example, let's say if I want to build a admin dashboard, I can click this and I can click on the submit button. So it's going to take a minute to generate here. So what's going to happen is in the Ingest Cloud server, it's going to send a background request, background job, and it's going to, let me just refresh this real quick. Yeah, so this is the job that is running right now. So as you can see, it's getting the sandbox ID, it's queuing some steps. So there you go. It built me an admin dashboard. I can filter out the people, and I can look at these. So yeah, so as you can see, it is you can okay, it's still fine. So you can open it in a new tab, and it is going to show you stuff like these, and there's a code review as well. You can view the code, what it wrote. It's pretty clean stuff. But well, yeah. So and it also will remember the context of yours. So let's say if you want to make it glassy and red, it will make this admin dashboard glassy and red. So yeah, it know what I'm doing, it know what I'm saying, and it built me an admin dashboard. Even though I admit that it could be a little bit better in terms of preserving the previous components, but yeah, the point I'm trying to make is it does know and have knowledge about context. So and the database I use for Postgres is actually this one. So it's Neon, and in here it all have the different fragment, messages, projects, and usage. Usage here is basically for the tracking of the credit. So make sure people don't spend all of my Block API money. So yeah, and for the sandbox I use E2B. So coding sandboxes, like it has to have a sandbox environment to code this and execute it. So it is E2B. It is awesome. It's very cheap. I haven't spent anything on it. And you give me $100 free credit. So yeah, so I use a Docker and I create like a script file. Let me see. What is it? Tomo. So there's a script file here and there's some Docker file here. I just run a script and then I push it up all to the E2B coding environment. So yeah, and then the AI has an environment to work with. And I want to showcase a little bit of the security. Oh, yeah, I mean the light mode is a light mode as well. So if let's say I happen to have a URL of an app, oh yeah, the sandbox timeout, it will die after 30 minutes. Otherwise, it's gonna spend up all my credit. So if I do this, I copy and paste the project ID, it's not gonna give me the project without signing in, and actually there's going to be no way at all to actually getting into that, because like every time you are trying to what's it, init.ts, so that is I created a middleware which verify the user's authentication, and if you are not verified and if your user ID and project ID does not match up with what is inside the database, you're not going to be authorized to viewing other people's project. So even if I'm signed in but with a different account, then I'm not going to be able to see other people's project or use any of the credit. So yeah, so the security of this website I think is pretty good, and yeah, of course you can open it in a new tab, and this code view right here. And what did I say? Okay, so for the Claude, then I use 3.5 Sonnet. It's the latest one, a model that is supported by now. So yeah, like yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I built an AI that creates like build me a green landing page. It's gonna build me one. Okay, so there you go. It built me a green landing page, and yeah, so that's it. Thank you.